As the sun rose over Tampa, Florida, the city faced a grim reality. Hurricane Milton had swept through, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Streets that once buzzed with life were now rivers, homes submerged, and the landscape irreversibly transformed by the storm's fury. With winds exceeding 100 miles per hour and a storm surge turning neighborhoods into watery graveyards, Milton's power was undeniable. The shredded roof of Tropicana Field stood as a testament to the wind's ferocity, while over 3 million homes and businesses were plunged into darkness. The storm's impact was immediate and relentless, spawning more than 150 tornadoes that tore apart buildings and toppled trees. Tragically, at least 4 lives were lost, a stark reminder of nature's unforgiving power. But amidst the devastation, a small glimmer of hope emerged. Tampa Bay, directly in the storm's path, was spared the worst by a phenomenon known as reverse storm surge. This unusual event pulled water away from the coast, mitigating the catastrophic flooding that was anticipated. Despite this relative good fortune, the damage was still substantial. Toppled cranes, ripped-off roofs, and flooded homes painted a vivid picture of the storm's wrath. Emergency crews worked tirelessly, responding to calls for help and rescuing those trapped by floodwaters. The recovery process began as soon as the storm passed. President Biden assured Florida of federal aid, crucial for providing essential supplies, restoring power, and helping communities rebuild. But the road ahead is long and challenging, testing the resilience of Floridians. Millions remain without power, facing days without electricity in the sweltering Florida heat. Emergency shelters fill with displaced residents, their homes uninhabitable. The economic impact is also being felt, with disruptions to oil production and transportation leading to a spike in gas prices. But in the face of this adversity, the spirit of Tampa's community shines through. Neighbors helping neighbors, volunteers pouring in from across the country, and the unwavering determination to rebuild and recover. The weather company emphasized the importance of staying informed and safe during and after the hurricane. Their newsletter provided crucial updates on hurricane coverage, safety tips, and local forecasts. It's a reminder that in times of crisis, reliable information can be a lifeline. As Tampa picks up the pieces, the focus shifts to rebuilding lives and communities. It's a task that will require time, resources, and an unyielding spirit. But if there's one thing this storm has shown, it's that Tampa's resilience is as strong as ever. Stay safe, stay informed, and together Tampa will rise again.